It's my personal design for you. For example, that is your sweater. Mark the line where the pocket will be. Pick up stitches from here. It looks like this. Remove the yarn. Now work the first row, all stitches neat. Until the end of the row, all stitches neat. Back with purl stitches until the two last stitches. One first slip and continue with purl stitches. Two last stitches, work to purl together, two purl together, and pick up one from here. Two purl together and one from here. Now the first stitch knit and continue knit until the two last stitches. Now work to knit together and pick up one from here. It's a row from here. In the next row, purl the first stitch and continue all stitches purl. Now purl two together and pick up this stitch. Purl two together and pick up this stitch. Your yarn is here. Knit the first stitch and continue to knit with your pattern. Now knit two stitches together and pick up this stitch. Knit two together and pick up this stitch. Your yarn must be between two stitches here. Purl the first stitch and continue to knit with purled stitches. Now work to purl together and pick up this stitch. This stitch, purl two together and pick up this stitch. Yarn between the two first stitches. First stitches, knit and continue to knit next row. In the side it's look like this. In this way, continue to knit your pocket. I finished my pocket and now cast off all stitches. It's following cast off. All stitches need on last row until the end. It's look like this. Now it's you pick up stitch, knit two together, cast off, take stitch, cast off, now I finished. Use hook here and take yarn inside. I finished my knitting. Good luck to everyone.